guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm coming to you with a video sharing something that I can't even believe I'm receiving in the mail today. As you can see here, guys, this box came all the way from Russia, and I am so excited. I can't even explain it. I met this young lady, her name is Tatiana, and she goes by Bellkyn on Instagram. And she makes some amazing, and I mean amazing things, you know, when you look at people's work and you just have nothing but admiration for them. Well, I left her a comment letting her know how much I loved one of her cards, and this was back, I don't know if it was November or December, but she said, then I'll send you one. And I said, okay. I was so surprised that she would even offer to do something like that, because I know postage overseas is quite expensive. She said she would send me a card, and today, look, this is what I get. And I know that this is not just a card. So Tatiana, I want to say thank you. I don't know what's in here, so let's open it up and find out together. And I'm going to I don't know how to do this so that it doesn't show my address, but I'm going to try to remove that portion of it, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've removed the address label, and now I'm just going to use my craft scissors here, or craft knife here, I'm sorry, to open this box. Oh my goodness. I saw the notice on my mailbox, and I ran after the mailman. Because I had no idea. I was like, I don't know why I'm receiving something from Russia. And then once I had it in my hands and I saw it was from Tatiana, I was like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay, so, oh wow. Okay, so I'm just making sure that there's nothing left in there that I don't want to ruin. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. Oh my gosh. Did she? Wow. Okay. So first of all, guys, it looks like she sent me two, not one, but two cards. Wow. Let me remove the bubble wrap here. Oh my gosh. This is just so beautiful, guys. This, I'm going to have to post pictures because the camera is just not ever going to do it justice. What I love about her work, and let me put this in the background so at least it's not so dark. I'm going to try to zoom in. Okay, so I'm going to take this out of the packaging, and I apologize for the crinkle if it bothers you. But this is what I mean about when you admire someone's work, because it's just impeccable, absolutely gorgeous, and something to admire. I mean, everything she makes is so textured and layered and absolutely stunning and just perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm going to describe what I'm seeing here because, oh, it's just so lovely. And she starts off with a base there of that herringbone pattern paper, but it's kind of like in a light peach. And then the mint green, and then this paper here is stitched, okay? Which that in and of itself is just so lovely, and everything has like a splatter of what may be gesso or paint. But then on top of that, there's a die cut back there, there's a ripped piece of paper, there is an applique. On top of that, there is a mint green paper, another music note paper, there's vellum, which has gold and white splatter. There's another piece of what looks to be almost like a paper doily, or I don't know. I don't know if that's, no, that looks like a real doily. Wow. And then another strip over here. On top of that is this glittered little, almost like a chipboard house. On top of that is a Christmas tree, and then there's the ivy, there's a bird, the image of the little girl, which is so lovely, and then there's this chunky glitter on everything. There's a little snowflake, there's a gem here, you see that, and that's got gold, or she must have placed it on top of what was already painted gold, and then there's these berries here. And I'm sorry if I was out of frame, and a little star over here that's been distressed and glittered, and this flower is just, I don't know if she made it, but if she did, wow, it's perfection. It's just absolutely stunning. And that applique has little stars, and this looks to be a separate one here, so it's almost like a doily sandwiched in there. I mean, there's just so much to this, and it is, oh, I am in awe of her work. Oh, and there's a note here. It says, "Dear Raquel, I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I wish you and your family good health, bright happiness, and implementation of all plans and ideas. I'm very glad to meet you on Insta." And yes, and there's her. So she goes by Bellkyn, Bellkyn. So please follow her on Instagram. Thank you so, so, so much. And it says, "Joy to the world." Oh my goodness. Absolutely stunning. And then there's this one here. Oh, and I didn't even look at the back. Look at the back. It's also stitched all the way around. Oh my gosh. And I apologize for the noise. That's not coming from my home. If you hear anything in the background. Okay, I'm going to try to show you guys this one. Now, as you can tell, it's the same paper combination and just oodles of gorgeous, gorgeous detail there. Absolutely stunning. And this one says, "Always believe." And again, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And I am loving what she did here. Did you see that little house? I'm not sure which medium she used, but it is beautiful. And I'm gonna have to ask her where she got the dye to cut out this flower, because it does look like it's handmade. I don't know that she purchased that, but there's another, see this one? Another little flower down there. And again, I'm going to post pictures because my lighting just does not, it's dark here. Oh my gosh, stunning. So then aside from that, she sent what's underneath here. And I cannot believe she did this. This is just amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, look at this. Oh, I am so excited. It's called Men's World. And it's a collection of scrapbooking paper by Anna. And I'm sorry if I mispronounced this, but I think it's Solnishkina. I hope I'm saying that right, but here's the name, in case you want to look it up. And then here's the website. And it is absolutely beautiful. I love hot air balloons. Look at that. The images are just gorgeous. And then vintage cars and all of this. Wow. I'm going to have so much fun playing with that. And, whoa, wait a minute. I thought it was just, oh my gosh. I thought it was just two. Not that it would be just two, because I wasn't expecting any of this. But, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It's the same designer. And then this one says, "My Honey Bunny." Oh my gosh, and it's got little bunnies. They're so cute. And it has this blue background, but it also has all of these. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Little birds. And I always mention on her pictures that the papers that they have overseas are just so much prettier than the ones that we get in the stores here. This one's called Tender Sentiment. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Who was it that made a project with this? Vicky. It was Vicky who sent me, yes, she sent me this envelope. Oopsie. And I just knocked over everything over here, but I believe that's the same little girl. It has to be. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is so exciting. So this one has lavenders and blues and pinks, and there she is. And she's got her crown of flowers. So those are all the papers here. Oh my gosh. Just stunning. I am so grateful to you, and I am so humbled that you would send me this, because all I did was just say that I liked her work, and I am just so blessed. I'm meeting so many amazing people who are who have the same love of crafting that I do, and I don't believe in coincidences, first of all. So, you know, in making these videos, what starts off as crafting ends up being so much more. And I always say it's not about the things that you receive, it's about the people that you meet and the connections that you make. And yeah, and I just feel very blessed, and I'm so very grateful. And thank you so much again, Tatiana, for doing this. I mean, this is just amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to treasure this. And she left this one blank, so what I'll do is that I should give one of these away. I'm not sure when I would be able to mail it out, so leave a comment below and I'll give this one away because I like to share what I receive. So I'll give away this card. Just leave me a comment below letting me know what you think, and for sure I'll leave her link also, so that way you can go follow her on Instagram. And I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.